Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox this crawler Reely Freemen RTR from Reely. So let's take a look in the box and see what we got. It's a 1/16 scale and is based on a Jeep Cherokee, but it's not licensed, so it's called the Freeman. Stupid name, I know. It comes with just a Reely controller with throttle control, steering trim, throttle trim and a button for turn off your lights and turn them on. It feels nice, not cheap. The car also comes with some manuals in English, German, Chinese, and it's nicely packed, I think. And the car looks great, yeah. And it comes with extra decals. A little description and manual, and a little USB charger is also included in the box. First, let's take a look at the body. It says it's 1/16 scale, but I think it's a little bit smaller than 1/16. The chassis is made of nice plastics, and it's got fully independent suspension around, and it got lock diffs as standard. The tires feels nice also. And when you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like, share or comment, and watch the whole video please. You help me a lot. The car comes with this tiny charger. You plug it in the car and after that you put it in your USB charger. So let's charge it, let's see how it goes. It's not a hard body, this car, but I think it looks fairly okay. I don't like the decals, but the rest, yeah, I really like. Let's take the body off and let's see what's in it. And I must say, on first glance, everything looks okay. Got a 3-wire servo, an inbuilt ESC and receiver, and it got nice suspension as standard, but a little bit bouncy. And the car is really light, so I don't think it can climb that good, but we shall see. Every part from the suspension and the drivetrain is made of plastic, so no metal parts this time. But what do you expect from that price? It's about 70 or 80 euros. It got a really tiny engine and it got a little gearbox, and as you can see, it's really bouncy. I love the body. I think our old Cherokee is a great looking car, but I don't like the decals. It comes with an inbuilt 3.7 volt LiPo battery. But first I have to take off the decals. Freeman, what a stupid name. But then it was charged, so I take it out on the living room and it was done. It's already broke. Shit. So I don't have a video from its stock form, unfortunately. So let's take it apart and let's see what happened and let's see what's inside. The gearbox got metal gears, so that's okay. I decided to put in a better engine and a better gearbox from VPL. I also added some metal drive shafts. And I want to put the engine and gearbox on its original mount. So let's make something for it. And I used a waterproof fiber ESC. To put the drive shafts on the differentials, I used a little M2 bolt that hold it in place. And it fits nicely. And I used a hot RC transmitter and receiver. And I used the original 3-wire micro servo from Reely, what get in the car. The battery I put in the original place. Now it's 7.4 volt, so I think it's gonna do okay now. The servo was already fully proportional, so I didn't change anything. Because of the heavier battery, I decided to put in some better shocks and springs. And the car comes a little bit higher too. This is the front, this is the rear. You can see the difference. The car is less bouncy now and a little bit more ground clearance, so I think it's doing okay in the fields. The car already came equipped with 4 lights, but they were in the bumpers and I don't like that. So I decided to make some light clusters and put them in the body. It looks more realistic, I think. Yeah, I'm really digging this car, its looks. It looks just rough. Yeah, badass. So, then it was charged. Now it's time for a couple of spins. It was really rainy outside and muddy. But the car, yeah, it conquered it. Not bad at all. So, if you ask me, should I buy this car for myself to go on a little bit hiking or a little bit crawling, stock out of the box, I say no. It's just too flimsy, the engine, yeah, it's just stock out of the box, it's shite. But if you do some modifications like me, you can see it's really great. It's nothing bad at all. The only thing it's wrong with it, it got a high center of gravity. So sometimes it rolls on its roof. It's just a little fun car. And I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope I see you the next time. Please like, share, comment or subscribe. And leave on your notifications bell. Bye bye.